Now let's take a look at the events that take place during synaptic transmission. Here is the synaptic knob. The white circles are the synaptic vesicles, and the red dots represent the neurotransmitter. First, the action potential arrives at the synaptic knob. Once the action potential arrives, it is sensed by voltage-gated calcium channels that are also present in the synaptic knob. These are shown in pink. There is a lot more calcium outside the cell, and so when these channels open, calcium rushes in and causes exocytosis of the synaptic vesicles that release the neurotransmitter into the synaptic cleft. The neurotransmitter then diffuses across the synaptic gap and finds its receptor on the postsynaptic neuron. These are ligand-gated sodium channels, and so when the channels open, sodium rushes in, bringing positive charges into the postsynaptic neuron, thereby depolarizing the postsynaptic neuron. The postsynaptic neuron is now excited. We call this type of local potential an excitatory postsynaptic potential, EPSP for short. Excitatory postsynaptic potential, which means that the postsynaptic neuron is now excited. There are many neurotransmitters that bring about EPSPs. Two important ones are adrenaline and glutamate.